This video is a walking tour around Red Street, showing the place for adult entertainment here on Red Street. Expat can get out here and find them a beautiful Filipino lady to be with. Come visit Angela's and visit Red Street. I run into an asshole out here. There's that place there playing. We're gonna walk around Red Street. I think we're gonna come back up through here on this road right here in a few minutes. Down right here in front of Billy's Sports Bar and Grill. You see it right here behind me. We've been walking down Walker Street. You wonder why Bernadette ain't with me? Don't worry, she's with me. Here you go. Right here. Nice out here. Nice and hot. I'll show you where we at.
How are you?
So,
Okay.
yeah. So we're going. We got Mega Dance right here, a nightclub, the Hammer. Now I got the cafe part going. They're still working on the other side of it on the Hammer. It's nice. Just walk over here and look at it. Oh, it's looking good. Yeah, I started up there. I want to come back right here right quick. Can't go in there, see there? That's gonna look good up there. See it? Check that out. That's nice. All that beautiful glass chandeliers. Check out inside the light side. That looks good. All that nice deep decoration out there. Going down through here. Cafe part there. Hammer, there's a bar. Upstairs bar and all. Go down the stairs. Right there. Go down in the Mega Dance.
Yes, sir.
We'll show you it right here. Go right down there, go down to the Mega Bar. Mega Dance. Yep, there you go. Going down through here. Right here on Red Street, Walking Street, Club Atlantis. Yeah, they're open. They ain't doing nothing yet. Y'all want to check it out? I want to get just inside a little bit. Y'all want to come in and get y'all ball, come have fun here, come to Atlantis. Nice area right there. Nice bar. Check out the. Yeah, that looks, I like that. That looks good. Atlantis, Club Atlantis. There you go. Club Atlantis. Club Star still closed. You see the padlock over there. Hello. I'm still trying to find my wife. Where's she at? That's Adrian. That's Adrian. Shout out, man. There's my lady. Ow! See here? Airfields Avenue. Club Sky. Dollhouse. They ain't open yet. I went back up. She went and walk with me. She said it's hot. I'm gonna let her sit there. I'm gonna walk down through here. I don't own no copyright, so the music's playing. There's that one. There's that place there. Nice little place. I've been upstairs in that place there playing.
Don't grab the bar. It's okay on this straight line.
That's what I'm doing. I'm showing this. I'm pointing upward. I point up. I'm doing this right here.
No.
I point up where you show your place off where people come see you. Hit your business.
Don't cross the bar.
That's all I'm doing. Hit your
Okay on this
business.
straight line.
All getting your name across the business. The business name where you get people come in and see you. I don't worry about people like that. They won't be people like that be assholes. I want to go to their place and give them business. Just ignore them. The Bomber Bar. Nice little place. Check them out there. Loopers, they fish. They looking good. Loopers got a little facelift on the side over there. Got your little set over there at that bar. Little eating little area there at Lupers's. Going down through here on the other side. Check that out. They all looking good over here. Got your upstairs sitting area right there. I don't need nothing. All nice little bars. Another little sitting area. There you go. Junior. Little bar. You can set your laundry rag, get your Filipino, and have fun in the room. Check it out, check them out, check them out. Let's check out the merchandise. I want you to get the dresses. Get your dresses. Check that out. Y'all come in here and see these fellas get y'all Filipino a good sexy dress. You might get lucky tonight.
Oh, yeah.
That's all I can get like that. Viking bar on the other side over there. Nice little Viking bar. Pointing on the ground. See, look, put that ground. Viking bar sitting over there looking good. See, a nice little hotel, I think. Nice little area. Yes, hotel. I point to the ground for me. Like I say, people about that be asses. I wouldn't go see them. That's my opinion. Right, more sexual lingerie. A little bar. Genesis. Nice little area. Check out, I like their decoration right here on the wall. Look at their night lights right here. Oh, that look good. I like that. I like that hanging up in the bedroom. Nice. Eating area. Elite Club. I like your shirt.
Yeah.
Nice little sitting area. Huh? Yes, sir. Alright. Night still, hotel still for rent and sale. That right there, that's a nice little area. Walk on down through here. Check her tattoo, that's it. Look at it. Went through dress, yeah. Gold Moon Bar. Another little hotel there. Eating area. More area you can buy your Filipinos and such your lingerie. Don't say the name, I can't read the names. I can't read that good. Nice little area. That place is for rent. Now you one right there. Walk around hotel. Hey, walk around. It's by got your by you put some sexy lingerie right there. Nice little bar, sports bar. Nice little bar. Let me get a good look in here. Check it out. That's nice. Pool, cheap pool over yonder. Hello. Got your little cake right there. Got your pool area. It's a pretty little bar. Let me go down here. I think she want to get on camera. Here y'all go. There y'all go. Hello. Go on out. And boy, shit across that alley, go somewhere else. Shoes. And we're down here. I think Adrian said MacArthur Avenue. Nice little area. So they got a sign working. Yeah, let's go look at it. The other side ain't working. They got in career writing. Next sign again, just like I did. This time it's working. So, hey, she can rest me anytime. That's a pretty good one in there. We got McDonald's right here. You can get hungry. Fields. Another Fields Avenue Plaza Hotel. Check it out right here. I'll show it to you. It's nice. That looks good. Alright, I walked up through here, the camera run hot, had to let it cool off. Like I said, I had to walk around. I want to show you right here. There ain't much up through the alley, that's why I decided not to do a video. I said it run hot. This fella right here from Las Vegas bar. He's actually want to come out, tell me I ain't bugged him, his wife ain't gonna let me. And alright, if y'all want to come up to the bar, right here in Las Vegas, right here. Now come and see them in Angel Lee's. That's the bar, Las Vegas bar. And find you a good looking Filipino. Won't go wrong. They walk on down through here. That Jim be at the door waiting on you. That's Las Vegas boy right there. There you go. Look at that. That's nice. Hey, how you doing? Hi. Walking up through here. It's nice over here. That's where we eat breakfast this morning. And done a live stream. That's a little nice area. Billy Sports Bar. Check that edge, that's nice. This is the other side of it. That's nice. I like that. Phillies. Let's walk in right. I'll let y'all see. There you go. Show you again. How about busting my ass? I know I seen it. They didn't watch my step.
Mike.
Here we at. Red Street. The hammer's gonna look good. Let me see if I can get a little bit right here. Bit right here. Look at that nice chandelier. I got you. Nice chandelier. We'll go down here and hit Adrian. And now the other side of Fields Avenue on the other side over there. Trike line. That's my honey down there. Hello, how y'all? Hey, y'all boys get too drunk, can't walk, they come to the trike line, they get y'all back. They came around. Huh? I'm back. With my wife, she's worrying about me. You worrying about me, honey? Your white meat's good. Your white meat's okay, honey. You don't got nothing to worry about. I'm hot for you, baby. Check. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, I want to end the video. I got in it with Adrian. My good buddy Adrian. Like our channel, please subscribe. Lost Mental Vlog. Shane and Bernadette. Lost them. And you want a good shout out, hook him up. Adrian shout out time on YouTube. I have his YouTube channel here in the video. Y'all holler at him, he'll shout out to you from wherever you at. See ya. Bye. Boy.
Is that the YouTube?
Yes.
Is it?